Let's look at manipulating the timeline so that you can do editing faster. There's a couple of ways to do that. One is to just simply make a cut in an edit and then cut it out of the timeline. Another way is to lift an edit, and then another way is to extract the edit. So I'll take a look at those three ways now. So first what I'll do is I will take this scene. I have three scenes here. I have the teleprompter scene, walking into the building scene, and then I have women in conversation in a conference room. So I'll take the teleprompter scene. I'm going to make a cut right here where my cursor is. I'm going to use the blade tool. My toolbar on this particular workspace is up on the top, so I'm going to click on the razor tool, and I'm going to make a cut right here. Then I'm going back to select the selection tool, which is V. I'll highlight that and I'll hit the delete key. So now I have lifted that footage from the timeline. What that means is that it lifted the footage, but the footage behind the edit did not collapse to take the space that the footage used to hold. So now I have a gap. So in order to get rid of the gap, what I can do is I can cursor along these items, select them, and then drag them to the left. Or what I can do is I can click on the gap and hit the delete key, and the delete key will close the gap. I'm going to undo this, and I'm going to take this footage, I'm going to put it back where it was. So now I'm back where I was. So what I did with that is I made a cut, I deleted the cut, and then I clicked on the gap and I deleted the gap. There's another way to do that, and that's with lift and extract. Now the lift and extract uses the in point and the out point on the program monitor. So I'm going to hit the I key, which is the in point. I'm going to move the cursor to the next clip, to the intersection of the clip, and I'm going to hit the O key for the out. So now I have a selection of the beginning here and the end. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these two toolbars over here on the program monitor. One is lift and one is extract. If I hit the lift key, which I'm going to do now, this will lift the footage from the track. So there's the lift key. I'm going to hit Control X to put that back. If I hit the extract, what it does is it removes the footage and automatically moves the footage behind that to replace it. So now I'm going to hit the extract. So that has been extracted. So the difference is that this is like an unedit almost. You select an in point, you select an out point, and then you either lift the footage or you extract the footage.